Jai Shri Krishna dosto. This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful Krishna painting with dot mandala design. This is very easy to create and it looks vibrant and very beautiful. So let's get started. For this we need some ball tools, pencil, ruler, 000 number round brush, black poster color, 1 rounder, some acrylic colors, white acrylic color, black and white color thick sheet. First I have printed the Krishna on this A4 size white color thick sheet. I have given the template of the Krishna in description box. You can just download from there. Now I am taking 4 cm radius and making one circle from the center. And now I will just increase the size of radius and I am making various circles around this. Like this. Now I will fill the Krishna using black poster color. Here I am filling the color using 000 number round brush. So complete this. So after filling black color, it will look like this. I have left all double white color lines as it is. Now I will start making some dots using this small ball tool. So I am taking light blue color. I have just mixed white and blue color to create this shade. So I am making small dots on this smallest circle. And now I will just increase the color and size of the tool each time. Now I am just mixing little blue in this and making little darker shade. So repeat this process till the desired shade and size. So this is done. Now for the last row I am directly adding the darkest blue color. Now I am taking my brush again and spreading these colors from center to outer side and mixing all the shades with each other. This is the easiest process to create the shading from lighter shade to darker shade. If you want to keep these dots as it is, so you can skip this mixing part. But I want one aura around the Krishna using this blue color shades. So I am mixing these colors. But you have to do this process while the color is wet. Otherwise you will not able to mix all the colors properly. So after mixing, it will look like this. Now I am adding the dot designs using some different ball tool sizes and different shades. So enjoy the tutorial, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section.
the pattern is done. Now I'm taking this black color cardstock, which is little bigger than this white cardstock, and I'm just connecting this on top of this, so you will get one black color outline around this. I have also added some half cut pearls on both the corners to decorate it. So the beautiful Krishna painting with dot mandala design is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video.
Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.